In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Apple Mouse to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Apple Mouse, you can easily connect it to your PlayStation 5. This will be done over a Bluetooth connection. So, in order to set this up and connect the Apple Mouse to your PlayStation 5, access the settings on the console. Inside of the settings, you will find the accessories category. So go into accessories on the settings, and then Bluetooth accessories under general, so it should be the default option at the top. Inside of Bluetooth accessories, you will be able to see everything that you have connected. Primarily, it should be a controller. If you want to connect the Apple Mouse, just look underneath it and you will find the power toggle. If it was powered on, I recommend turning it off and then turning it back on again. Immediately upon powering it on, by setting it to the correct position, when you see the green background, it is going to appear under the accessories found here. So all that you have to do at this point is to highlight it and choose the option to connect. There is no secret. It is going to be transferred over to the registered accessories and you are good to go. You will now be able to use the magic mouse until it runs out of battery, when it will disconnect automatically, or you can manually power it off to end this connection. So keep in mind that not all games are going to support mouse and keyboard. Only some games, for example Roblox or Minecraft, will have this feature, and this isn't going to allow you to browse through all of the menus on the PlayStation 5 just using the mouse. You will still need to navigate using your controller, but by having it connected, when you go inside of a game that offers mouse and keyboard support, you will be able to use it to look around, move the camera, aim, and do actions. So whenever you go inside of a game like Roblox, you will be able to use it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple Mouse to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.